Galing. Galing.
Salamat. Galing. Noel, thank you very much, Noel. Shackle, the man, okay? Thank you, Eto. You wanna talk to him?
Yes, hi Gerald.
Hello.
Hi, can you speak English with me?
Halil.
Hello, okay. And you're part of a band?
Yes, I'm.
What is it called?
IX.
IX.
Yes.
And you sing English songs, Tagalog songs?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Okay. And what kind of genre?
I usually play 80s music and alternative music, aside from original songs within.
Okay, that's nice. How long have you been singing?
More than 20 years.
Wow.
He's only 21.
I'm only 21.
You are more 1 year older than he's been singing.
Yes.
Okay.
Good. Oh, okay.
Gerald, Gerald, the very famous band here, IX also. Ano yung pinaka-hit niyong kanta?
Ako'y sa'yo, ika'y sa akin.
That's a very nice song. There one song, very popular. It means, me is for you, and you is for me. Okay?
Okay.
Me and you.
I
It's
used to
like,
sing that song.
it's like, remember me. Remember me. Put them together. Remember me. Okay. Gerald, may coming shows? You have coming shows?
Mamaya po nasa Castilleos, Zambales po ako. Kasal po ng mga kaibigan ko si Gwenard, si Ate Lanha. Congratulations, and De Leon, tsaka Crisostomo family. Kagabi, pasalamat din ako kasi nasa Cavite, kumanta rin ako doon. Kasi medyo pahinga ng Ajax ngayong itong month.
Bakit? Walang Ajax nga?
Meron po, kaya lang medyo pahinga kami itong month, so may solo rackets ako konti.
Okay, good.
Gabi, salamat po sa sa mga taga Cavite, sa General Tria, si Abet, happy birthday ulit, belated.
Alright.
And, ayun po, samantalayin ko na Will, pare.
Okay.
Yung mga kasama ko sa merch, sila Ma'am Kitty, sila Ma'am Ma'am Kitty, sila Ma'am Mai, and sila Sir Bernie, sila Sir Jet, Sir Terence, yung family ko, mga anak ko.
Ilang anak mo? Gerald?
Dalawa anak ko.
It's two kids. Two kids, okay.
English pala, no?
Okay lang.
Dalawa, si Kiko at si JB. Love you. Tapos,
Alright, okay.
Yung tatay ko, nanonood din siya.
Thank you very much. Okay, Gerald. Now, ito na po. Pakinggan natin. Gerald of IX. Go!
Ikaw na ang may sabi.
Kahit ako, pinalakpakan ako na kayo sa school niya.
Ako'y mahal mo rin. At sila
Patay si Ano.
Idol ko to eh. Ang pag-ibig mo'y di magbabago. Ngunit bakit sa tuwing ako'y lumalapit ay lumalayo? Puso'y laging nasasaktan pag may kasama kang iba. Di ba nila alam tayo'y nagsumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y aking laman.
Yeah! Okay. Bago tayo tumuloy, mga kapilya, abangan nyo. Ito, meron tayong news advisory, pero anytime. Standby lang tayo, anytime. May mga news na dapat tayong malaman. Okay na? Papasok na? Okay, pasok na! Go, news! Come on, news! Pakinggan natin.
Oh, shit.